Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we created this little nav bar below our hero section here. It's sticky. When it gets to the top, it sticks up the top there. And we had a great question on this, and the question was, well, when it gets up to the top there, I just want to shrink the size of it a bit. I don't want it to be as deep as that. How do we do that? Well, we can do that, and it's pretty easy. Don't need any coding to do this. We're going to tweak it a little bit and change a few things around, but it's perfectly possible. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable my Visual Builder. Once enabled, let's go down to where I want to work. And at the moment, from memory, we made our row the actual sticky element here, which is fine. We'll leave it as that. You could have made the section. But our row at the moment's got padding on it. So what I'm going to do is going to take our padding off of the row here. So it's the green tab for the row. And if you want to know how we set this up, have a look at the playlist below the video, and I'll put the video link down there also. I'm going to go to Design and Spacing and just zero out the padding top and bottom. Just put in 0. It'll put in the pics for you. I want to do the same at the bottom. And that's the size I want it to shrink down to, but not at the bottom there, only when it's on the top. You know, when it gets to the top, I want it to shrink down to that size. When it's down here, I still want it to be big. So to enable this today, let's go into the module now. We've taken the padding away from the row. I'm going to add it back to our little module right here. I'm going to go to Design. I think there's about 20 pics we had top and bottom. Obviously you put whatever spacing you want in there. So I'm going to put padding 20 on the top and 20 on the bottom. That looks about how it was. Great. So when it's rolling around the site there, that's how we want it. But when it's up the top here, we want to go back to that skinny version. So to do that today, common with a lot of Divi modules, when you roll over the dark legending, you're going to find some icons. And because we're using this as sticky and it's pinned to the top, when I roll over the padding there, you've got this little pin icon. If you click on it, it gives you a non-sticky when it's rolling around the site, and a sticky version when it's on top, sticking to the top like that. When it's sticky like this, I don't want any padding because I want it to be skinny. Like that. And when on the desktop version, I still want it to have 20. So when we roll down, it wants to have 20 like that. That's great. That's going to work. So we've got it down here. It's rolling up. It's rolling up. And as we're scrolling down the site, it's going to shrink to nothing. Now the time it's actually taking to do that is about 1/3 of a second. If you decided you wanted to slow that down at all, you can go over to Advanced. We'll go down to Transitions, and here you've got transition duration. Let's take it up to about 1/2 a second and see what happens. So we've got it down here, we're scrolling up, it gets sticky when it gets to the top there. Fantastic. As you can see, it's larger there. When we get up the top, it shrinks down. So that's pretty easy to do. Like I say, if you're not sure how we set this up initially, have a look at that first video. But if you want to tweak it so it shrinks a bit like that, then that's the way to do it. Let's save our changes, make sure this is going to work on the front end. Let's save my draft. And let's exit the Visual Builder. Okay, well, we've got our little sticky bar there. There it is rolling up the site. It's quite wide, and when it gets to the top, it shrinks down. When we roll it back down, it gets wide again. So there you have it. There's how to make your sticky header shrink when it gets to the top of the page. I hope that's answered your question. I hope you found that useful today. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.